Okay, so I don't know whether you're able to literally see what it is that I want to show you, but this would be really, really helpful. Trust me. It's going to be something that you'll be excited to really learn. I could show you a traditional website and I could show you brands like Netflix. This is exactly what they're doing. It's very, very simple. It's really, really tailored concisely to reprogram you to take the next vital step. I'm going to show you this is practical. This is a practical class. It's really not when I have to do website. It's really not something that I'm going to be teaching you in theory. So let's just get to Netflix, okay? Okay. This is Netflix. One thing that Netflix tries to do is it tries to. One thing about website is I don't know how to put it, but look, sometimes pictures speaks 1,000 words. Okay, they speak more than words. So one thing they just try to do is to put in a picture that allows you to hook to understand what it is that the site is all about. So this is the hero section. Everything you're seeing here is the hero section. The hero section, it's like a hero, it's like going to war. All right. What it's supposed to do is to win a customer to be able to dig in deeper. Okay. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So this is the hero section. So now in this hero section, there's something that is very, very important, and that's combining two things. Number one, you're combining the visual and the verbal, okay, which is where your copywriting, if you have a good copywriter that was able to put these things into place or into perspective, or you following through some of my videos, you'll be able to come up with something that is very, very compelling, and you will see it, okay? Maybe from your mission statement, you can start from your mission statement, and you're able to achieve that. So this is it: unlimited movies, TV shows, and more. Watch anywhere, cancel anytime. Okay. The idea is you put in your name to get started. Consistent, right? Look at the sign in button. Consistent. You sign in to get started, or put your name to get started. Put in your email, sorry, to get started. That's it. A single call to action. Now let's see what it looks like. This is it. The offers that they are making. Now, as I said, they see the products and services that you're offering. Okay, so you can see it there. Okay, this is the validation phase where you're validating in case you're having issue whether what Netflix is, whether they actually are going to do what they say they're going to do. The consideration stage, is it flexible with my cost? So these are all possible things, that questions that people might come up with. That's what validation tries to do, to actually reaffirm that you're different. You feel what they feel. You felt that way before, and yes, why you're different. Yes, what you're offering. So this is it. To consistently, before you get to access maybe their movies, is what, enter your email to create or restart your membership. You see, that's exactly what it is. So you have to be consistent with your call to action. Successful brands are consistent with their call to action. So I've been in this business for a long time, and I'm always thinking this is new stuff of the wire. What I'm sharing with you is fresh stuff of the wire, but it is what these people are doing, but you're not seeing it because you're feeling that they are able to afford big funds, big marketing budgets to execute this. But guess what? The principles are the same. That's success leaves clues. Okay, so you're able to see that if they are doing this that works, what you have to do is just to model what works and put it for your business, and that's all.